for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, front-wheel drive, power door locks, trip computer. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.